welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Halle J here. For those of you who are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's just start there, because a lot of y'all, okay, not subscribe. Why you not subscribed? Like, let me know down in the comments why you not subscribed, and then we good. But anyways, I am back with another tutorial per usual. Y'all, I'm running out of ideas. Can y'all help me? Can y'all let me know what y'all want to see, because I feel like I'm on a loop. Another bronze glam tutorial on one of my chocolate babes. I hope you guys enjoy. I did do a beat for y'all this time. Y'all feeling it? Y'all feeling it? Check it out on TikTok. I did a few TikToks of this look. If you don't follow me on TikTok, what you doing? Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, what you doing? Like, stay connected with me. Like, I like talking to y'all. I like the DMs I be getting. I love the community we creating here, so stay connected. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Bye. Okay, hey babes, we are jumping straight into this tutorial. I'm taking some witch hazel and applying that all over her face, making sure I get rid of any excess oils that may be on her skin before I go in and prime. Because she does have oily skin and this was like a night out look, I went in with my MAC 24-hour mattifying primer. It's like a silicone base. It is really good, and also another dupe for the Becca Ever Matte primer. Y'all know that used to be one of my favorites, but this one works pretty well. I'm making sure I am blending that into the skin really good before I apply foundation. For foundation, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish in the shade 16 and the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear in the shade Mali, M-A-L-I. And I'm gonna take my Morphe 224 brush and apply the foundation to the skin before I go in and blend it out. And today, to blend out her foundation, I am using the Real Techniques Instapot face brush. Really good brush for blending out foundation. So I'm just literally patting and pressing this foundation into the skin, making sure it looks nice and flawless and the coverage is even. And to highlight, I'm going in with my Too Faced concealer in Toffee and just applying that in all of the areas that I would usually do: forehead, underneath the eyes, the lip, and the chin. And to get the most out of my concealer and to make it full coverage, I do allow it to dry down. And while I'm waiting on that, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal her brows with that same concealer as well. And to blend the edges of the concealer out, I'm using that foundation brush once again just to allow the base to really mesh. And this is me saying something silly per usual. And to blend underneath her eyes, I'm going in with my new favorite. This Juno & Co sponge is my life, okay? My life, literally. I really love this sponge. I get it off Amazon, or you can get it from Target, I believe. But I'm just pressing that foundation underneath her eyes. I'm pressing that concealer in underneath her eyes and having her look up so it won't crease too bad. And I'm just gonna go ahead and press in that foundation on the bottom half of her face as well. To set, I'm going in with the Dermablend Cool Beige and the Sacha Buttercup. I just mixed the two together, and I'm gonna press that powder all the way into her skin. And as y'all see, I'm having her look up so I can get into her creases as well. And just pressing that in wherever I applied concealer. And I did decide to go ahead and bake her, so I just used the Sacha Buttercup by itself for this. And I am blending out that concealer on her lid and prepping her for eyeshadow. I am filling in her brows with the Morphe Brow Pencil in Java. Since I already concealed, it's making it a little bit easier for me to see, and I don't really have to do too much to fill in. But I just want to darken up her brows just a little bit, and as y'all see, I am making hair-like strokes in the front and brushing the product up. So it won't be so harsh. I really wanted to go for a super cute, defined, but natural brow, and I'm pretty sure that's what it's given. And for contour slash bronzer, I did go in with the Morphe Deep Glam palette. I'm going in with this blush from that palette as well. It's like a plum blush. And I'm just pressing that on the top of her cheeks. And here I am taking some of that powder and pressing that into the rest of her face so it will be nice and matte. And I am dusting away that beige and pressing it in as well. So as y'all see, I am going into that Deep Glam palette. I'm tapping into that bronzer, and I'm also going in to my Black Radiance Press Powder in Cafe just to give the bottom half of her face a little bit more color, and so she's not so ashy. And this is her being silly. We always being silly, as y'all can see. But I'm taking that palette again. This palette is very versatile for like a lot of things, as y'all can see. I'm going in with those first two bronzer shades and using that as my transition color. She showed me a look. I'll see if I can put it on the screen, but she showed me a look and I'm just recreating it. This is not really out the box. This is pretty much out the box for me because y'all know I keep it real simple with the eyeshadow. But I have been liking, you know, doing fun, kind of like bronzy looks lately. So I'm also taking that brightener powder and placing that on her lid. It kind of is like a tan brown shade. And popping that on the center of her lid. Now I'm going to go ahead and line her lips with the Morphe Lip Liner in Trendsetter, one of my favorites. And for the center of her lip, I'm going in with the NYX Lip Lingerie XXL in Turn On. It's a nice peachy pink color. And then in the center, to just brighten it up and give her the ombre effect, I went in with the Sephora Lip Stain in Vanilla Cream. I'm just taking a small detail brush to just blend out the edges so it will be nice and seamless. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the shimmer on the inner corner of her lid. I literally mixed a lot of these shimmers in my Warrior 1 palette from Juvia's Place, y'all. And y'all gonna see me mix all of these colors together. Like, I just be tapping in everything. That's why I can never be like, oh, I use this specifically. Girl, I used almost everything in this palette. So this is how the eyes are looking. I felt like it was super cute, a nice bronzy look. And for gloss, I'm going in with the Ulta Jelly Gloss in Seafoam. I'm just not a matte lip girl, okay? I love me a good glossy lip. It just is what it is. And as y'all can see, she loves it. She is being silly per usual. She loved her face. I did spray her with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and the Urban Decay All Nighter, just so she is locked in. And this is just me taking pictures. Y'all know how I do. I take my light, hold my light in one hand, phone in the other, and just, you know, snap my pictures. And I will show y'all some of the photos that I got. But this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Something real quick for the girls. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. I love y'all so much. I will see y'all in the next video. If you haven't checked out my latest videos or any of these videos on the screen, be sure to do so. If y'all have any videos y'all want to see from me, please let your girl know, because I'm kind of running out of ideas. I'm just like, I feel like I'm doing the same thing over and over again, so let me know. So I will see y'all in my next one. Love y'all so much. Thanks for the support. Bye.